Woo! This us?
This MTV Cribs, baby.
This us right here?
You know what time it is. You know what time it is.
Oh, wow.
I'm going to have to show you this because this is the best one yet. Best one yet. You already know they got the little sweet treats.
This is the welcome gift right
That's
here?
a little welcome gift for us.
Unbelievable.
Look.
Oh, wow.
All spelled out.
People wouldn't believe it unless we show them. People not going to believe it unless they see it with their own eyes. Overwater Villa. Hey, listen, when we say overwater,
We mean over water.
we mean overwater.
Oh, yeah.
This is us right here. This is what we're waking up to every day.
You got the infinity pool.
Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Wow. This is us every morning waking up.
We're gonna be like, waking right up to this.
We can step down to the sea right there.
There ain't no topping this.
Yeah, we got a little over cabana thing going on.
Look at this outside shower.
Outside shower.
We get out the pool, we rinse ourselves off, have a feeling nice.
Oh my goodness. Hey, don't let that hat fly off you. You know, we out here in the outside, you know, wind blowing. Uh-huh. Unbelievable.
That might be the best part, but this, you know I love my bathroom, so come here, let me show you this.
Let's see what it looking like.
The giant mirror and everything.
Mm-hmm. What it looking like over here?
This is our bathroom.
Wow.
We got the tub.
Wow.
Sheesh. Got the little toilet area over here.
Uh-huh.
You know.
Little commode and all that.
Yeah, and I'm gonna have to show you this. This is the shower. Stop playing with them. Come here, you're gonna have to take a step aside and show them this.
Wow.
Got the rainfall shower.
Rainfall.
Everything.
This is us right here. This is the next 5 days. This is the views.
These are the views.
Oh, wow.
Look.
Yeah.
They gave us ample closet space.
Yeah.
Sheesh. Let me show you a little something right here.
Of course, you know, we got all this stuff to hang up, all that clothes to put away.
Plenty of closet space.
What they got here?
They gave us a complimentary Maldives bag.
Oh, wow.
This right here. This is something
Ain't you special? Okay, treat you like a princess. We packing that. They better not expect that back.
They better not charge the bill for it either. And also,
What else they got going
for people
on?
who want to keep their jewelry safe,
What's that?
a nice little jewelry box.
Wow.
Yeah.
Keep all your valuables safe and secure, huh?
Absolutely.
Put that in the safe.
Keeping
Tuck it
everything
away.
real nice. Yep. Put your little code in.
Mm-hmm.
Also, it's not a vacation without having the robes and the little slippy slips.
Okay, personal robes.
Yeah, and they got the embroidery JW Marriott on them.
All the time.
So soft.
I
love it.
Fresh out the shower, you throw the robe. What they got down
They
here?
got the little slippy slips with the JW Marriott on it.
Uh-huh.
These are super soft. And they got the little slippers for when you want to just walk around. Yeah.
Yeah, we packing that too.
We packing all this. Everything coming.
They might not expect none of that back.
We might take one of the robes too.
How much this trip cost? And what else we got?
Yeah, everything, all this over here. Real nice. And the last, to top it all off, we got our own little mini bar over here.
Okay.
Everything.
They gonna set us right?
Look at this. Come show them.
Oh, they stocked us up.
Fully stocked.
They stocked us up right there.
You know what time it is.
Liquor, wine, all that.
Everything. They got everything for us, yo. This us for the next 5 days.
Unbelievable.
We're gonna be posted up. We're gonna come back with a nice tan.
Uh-huh.
We're gonna have to get to it because we gotta enjoy our
Yeah, let's make it happen.
So we're gonna see y'all on the flip side.
Later.